Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to revive your old curly wigs at home. Stay tuned. So to begin with, we're going to be detangling our hair. You guys, this hair has seen things. Like, I think this is the first time in over 2 years of having this hair, or almost 2 years of having this hair, that I'm giving it this much care. Like, the hair was really screaming and begging for some tender loving care, you guys. Basically, the key to reviving your wig is to treat it as though it was your natural hair, and that is what we're going to be doing in this video. So after detangling the hair, I'm now going to wash it with this shampoo that I have at home. You can use any shampoo, it doesn't matter what brand you use. This is what I had, and that was why I used this. And you guys, I did not have running water at home on this day. That is why I'm using this basin to wash the hair. Yes, let nothing stop you. There's no running water, use a bowl, use a bucket. Just improvise, guys. Now that I've washed the hair and rinsed off the shampoo, I'm going in with my conditioner. Now, I'm applying this conditioner. I'm going to use it to serve as my deep conditioner. Yes, if you know, you know. So, I'm just going to add in some oil with the conditioner and apply it throughout the hair strands. You want to rake it in at first, and then after you brush it in or comb it in, whichever one you have handy. Okay, so just basically distribute the conditioner throughout the hair, let it get saturated with the conditioner, after which we move to the next step. Now remember not to leave any part of the hair unattended. Make sure you reach out to the nape area, to the front, everywhere, guys. By the way, if this is your first time to my channel again, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do consider subscribing and turn on the post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get talking in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to be doing this. Let me know any question it is that you have, and I'll be sure to answer to the best of my knowledge, you guys. I'm so excited to have you come and join us. Okay, please do not forget to subscribe. So after distributing the conditioner, throughout the hair, I'm now going to put the wig into a plastic bag. Now I will double it up and put it into my pressure pot. You guys, ignore the stains in this pot. I used it to cook some agbo, some herbal tea, and that is why it has the stains. Don't worry, now I've completely cleaned it properly, found a way to get rid of the stains, so just ignore that. Okay, initially the plan was after saturating the hair with the conditioner. You're now going to the point is to deep condition the wig, right? So I was going to put it in the plastic bag and put it in the microwave oven to just, heat it up for about a minute or two. This is like you're just deep conditioning your hair, right? Like we said, treat this hair like you're treating your natural hair. So unfortunately on this day, see guys, the electricity was just tripping off. The current was very low, hence the reason why I did not have running water available. So again, we have to improvise, you guys. In this life, you just have to be resourceful, okay? Think outside of the box. So what I decided to do was to steam the air instead. So I placed it in the plastic bag and put it in my pressure pot, added some water, and just let it to cook in there for like 7 minutes, after which I brought it out and allowed it to cool a bit. Then I went ahead to rinse off the product. Now the wig is properly rinsed and we're just going to let the hair to air dry, after which we're going to continue with the rest of the treatment, you guys. So what I'm basically doing is just feeding it some leave-in conditioner, to revive all that curls, all those juicy curls. You want it to pop again. This is what you do, you guys. This is what you need to give your hair, especially curly wigs, so that the curls can pop again. So you want to brush the leave-in conditioner into the hair so that the curls can be activated more, and also to distribute the leave-in conditioner properly throughout the hair. And that, my lovelies, is how you bring your old curly wigs back to life. You guys, like I said, this wig, I've owned this wig now I got it around August of 2019, and this is August of 2021, you guys. And this wig can still come alive and still look this gorgeous. Like I said, this is the first time I'm giving it this type of treatment, and the curls are popping like new. You guys, try this out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and till I come your way next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.